When we talk about color, we often use the word hue, especially in art, design, or digital tools. But this little word, only 3 letters long, carries centuries of linguistic history and deep cultural meaning. The modern English word hue comes from Middle English hue, which already had meanings related to color, but also more broadly to appearance, form, or even beauty. Tracing it further back, we arrive at Old English hīew, a remarkably rich word. In Old English, it could mean appearance, form, species, kind, apparition, color, beauty, and even figure of speech. This broad semantic field tells us something important. In early English, what we now think of as hue wasn't just about chromatic tone. It was about how something looked, appeared, or seemed. A person's hīew might have referred not just to their complexion, but their whole visual impression. The Old English hīew comes from Proto-West Germanic hīew, and further back from Proto-Germanic hīew, which meant form, shape, appearance, or even mildew in some contexts, again showing how early language grouped color and form as a unified idea. But the real story begins even earlier with the Proto-Indo-European roots hīew or chēu, and possibly che. The root hīew or chēu referred to skin or the color of the skin, connecting directly to concepts of surface, appearance, and identity. Color, after all, is one of the first things we notice, and skin color or tone has long been central in human description. Another related PIE root, che, meant gray or a dark shade. This ties the concept of hue not just to color in general, but to specific visual qualities like darkness or dullness. From these roots, we get a number of interesting cognates in some Germanic languages and in other Indo-European languages. Each of these words, in different ways, deals with color, surface, or visual ambiguity, often merging with ideas of age, mood, or beauty. So when we say hue today, we're not just naming a shade of red, blue, or green. We're tapping into a long human tradition of describing how things appear on the surface and beyond. From the color of skin to the form of clouds, from the shadowy outlines of fog to the delicate vanity of beauty, hue has always been more than just a color. Subscribe to find out more.